Oh my God, Becky, look at her hair. You guys, hello gorgeous. Let me start from that. Okay, so I've actually cut my own hair about 2 weeks ago, just a little over my ears, and you can see that it's out of control, and this is what we call quarantine hair. So yeah, I'm doing what I can. So I had to spray some root touch-up, about 1.5 inches on these roots over here, but I didn't get my Twilight Silver on the side, so y'all just ignore it. And I have curled it, and so it's up in this like messiness. Anyway, hope y'all been all right. So here's what's been going on. Been sick as a dog for like almost a month. And finally last week, the doctors, after it went away and then came back, the doctors were like, let's test you for COVID. So I went and got tested for COVID, and it came back negative, yay. But then my doctor said, well, you know, there's a 30% chance of a false negative. So we're gonna go ahead and treat you as if you've got it. Put my husband in quarantine for a few days just to make sure. So it's been an interesting month, I'm just gonna tell you. As you can see, I've been on some prednisone, so I'm a little swollen and just getting fatter, honestly. The hair is a little out of control, but it's time to do some makeup. I'm tired of feeling like I'm run down, so we're gonna do a little makeup today. Let's start first with a 5-minute makeover. So technically, it may not be 5 minutes, but it's a quick, easy makeover. Sweatproof, kind of waterproof-ish for the summertime when you're out and you're sweaty, but you want to go to the lake and hang out with friends, or you want to go to a cookout when everything opens back up and you don't want to look haggard. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Like this. So this is going to give you guys a little bit of just, let's do some makeup and go, and not look over made up, but yet be able to wear it for the day. So that's the plan. So let's go with that. You know, my plan changes, so watch for that. Let's see how well you were paying attention. So because I am pasty white right now and haven't seen an ounce of sun in a month, I'm not sure what shade I'm gonna be, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with what I have, and we'll just hope it's not gonna be like some dark craziness. Ta-da! I know, it is nothing overdone. Little light pink. The pink tint is from the BFit line, and it is for cheeks and lips, so I use that for both. The gloss, I just put a little pink on. You could use the lip plumper over the top if you want to keep your lips hydrated. That's something you probably would have to reapply during the day, but The rest of it you probably would not. And it is just simple. And I'm done, y'all. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you'll use it. I mean, you know, why not look glamorous while you sweat-proof and waterproof at the same time? All right, have a good one. I hope you guys are all staying safe and well, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Thank you as always for watching.